In this episode of Cats and Pups for Life, starring Riley, Charlie,
And the snowstorm.
Riley vs. Snowpile. Oh! Charlie!
Knock me over. Do you want to see it? Okay, hold on.
Riley vs. Snowpile on bike.
First, I have to get started. This is how you do it. Okay. This no fire like that.
You ready?
Yes.
Riley vs. Snowpile on her bike.
Part 2.
Go! Phil. Charlie vs. Stick.
Riley versus retaining wall. Should be going against each other. Stick patrol. Oh yeah. Riley, why'd you come inside?
Charlie ran over my head.
Aww, is it gonna be okay?
It hurt.
It hurts really bad?
Oh no, it just hurt.
Okay, hold on. Chowie. No.